doing? Are you upside down? How come you're climbing on your toy and on the roof? Are you bored? You saying, Mom, take me out. Mom, take me out. Yeah? Oh, look, your plan worked. I'm up here and I'm ready to take you out. You want to come out? Yeah? Come here. No? Yes? Are you looking at the camera? Do you not want to come out because of the camera? Come here. No? Do I have to put it away? Really? You're such a chicken. Mommy's scary. I don't like the camera. Tickle, tickle. Come on. She like starts to do it and then she's second guesses herself. Maybe I shouldn't. There you go. See? It's not too bad, huh? It's not scary. Whee! Scary camera? Yeah? Give me a kissy. Kiss, kiss. She's leaning away. She does not like my phone. Yeah. Okay.